USQC was established as a trailblazer in the industry. Since then, our team has been highly regarded by various organizations and institutions, including ASC, ANSI, and the Better Business Bureau. Our mission at USQC is to empower businesses to achieve maximum efficiency and improve personal qualifications. We are dedicated to providing top-notch services to our valued clients, including ISO certification, consultation, auditing, training, calibration, and Lean Six Sigma projects. This results in operational enhancement, cost reduction, and increased customer satisfaction. We also offer extensive online courses with accredited certifications. This ensures improvement to your personal qualifications through our internationally recognized programs. Whether you're at the start of your career or seeking advancement, we offer the education and certification you need. What gives us an edge at USQC is our early investment in innovative technology, which enables us to automate decision-making processes and ensures objectivity and efficiency. Our algorithms provide faster certification decisions, reduced cost, and saves you valuable time. We take pride in our diverse and talented team, with members from a variety of backgrounds and industries. In addition, our team conducts comprehensive client analysis, which enables them to comprehend and tailor to your specific needs. So why choose USQC? With strong accreditations, advanced technology, and a diverse team, we aim to empower businesses to thrive in a competitive marketplace with reliable support. Ready to take your business and qualifications to the next level? Contact us today and discover how USQC can help you achieve your goals.